Most AI advice is built for large corporations or driven by people who've never run a business. This book is different.
We have been spending a lot of money on AI since 2021, as a matter of fact.
Signal in the Noise is a practical guide for small and medium-sized business owners who want to use AI without getting lost in hype, jargon, or costly mistakes. It explains what works, what fails, and how to approach AI in a way that fits your reality. Clear frameworks, real examples, straight answers. This is not about chasing trends. It's about making better decisions.